Hello student, in this video we talk about WordPress media library. So to see to the WordPress media library, log into your WordPress dashboard, right, and then go to left side media, and from media you click on library. So click on library. So our media library is open. Know all media items. It show all the media items. It include the PDF files, audio file, video file, JPEGs, all the media file it shows, right. It also show on all dates, and it is a smush all images. It is a plugin to enhance your library and to optimize your pick SEO, right. From it is the grid view, and from its when you click on it, it is the list view. Now it's shown in the list view. Right, now the media is shown in the list view, and from here we set the information, right. From here see the screen option and light speed, smush, remove the date, comments, and now it shows very well, right. And then click on apply, and number of item per page. If you want to see the 20 item, no, I want to see the 50 item per page, so I write 50 and click on apply. Now it shows the 50 items per page, right. So it is the list view and it is the grid view. Now we again switch to the grid view, because in the grid view the pic is shows the very big. So it is the grid view, right. And from him here you filter your media from date. Now we see only to the August media, right. So click on August, it show only the August media, right. This all the pics are uploaded into the month of August, right. And now you can filter by image, by audio, by video, by archives. So we check on by images. So it show all the images. Know how to edit our image in our media library. So click on any image. So we click on that image, and now the media editor is open, and from here you write your alternative text. It is important for SEO. Write your title, write your caption, and write your image description. It is your image URL. So when I copy this URL, so copy and I paste in the Google, I paste in the search bar, this image will be shows. This image will be shown. This image, right? The image will be shown because it is my image URL, right? So from here you copy your image URL. From here delete permanently, you can delete this page. So we click on edit image, right. From here you rotate to left, rotate to the left, rotate to the right, flip vertical, move to the flip vertical, flip horizontal, hit the horizontal, flip vertical, flip horizontal, right. And from here you undo, and from here you crop your image. If you want to crop your image, from here you crop your image, right. And from here you choose your aspect ratio. We choose the aspect ratio 2:1. so it is on aspect ratio. Only that concerned area will be cut, right? It is all aspect ratio. Remove it. From here you increase or decrease your image dimension. 246, 124, 300. It is your aspect ratio area, and 400, right? And it is your image scale, your image dimension. Original dimension 246, 446, right? We increase it 400, and when we click on scale, so unsaved, okay, to continue, cancel, to return to the editor, okay. We try it, how it impact, right? It will be applied. All images, apply changes to all images, only thumbnail and all size. From here you can also save or also can cancel. So we cancel it because we does not want to any changes. So it is a short description of your WordPress library, and from here you cut it, right? And from media library you can edit on new. So from here you drag and drop any media. So we select maximum upload file size 512 MB. It means the file size that have a size to 512 MB will be uploaded. About 512 MB will not be allowed to uploaded, and less than 512 MB will be uploaded. It depends of your hosting server. It may be less or may be greater, right? So select files. So we go to downloads and then click on pics, and from here we choose a pic and then open it. Not uploaded, again try, choose it, click on it, open it. You were not uploaded this pic. So August, so it will not show because we only show the August, and now it is the September. So we click on September and the images will be show, right? So we click on it, and the one image we deleted, right, and click on deleted. The one image is deleted and another is shown in our media library. So it is a short description of your media library. You can upload, delete and edit your all images in your media library. So thank you for watching for this video.